Oh hey! Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm praying. To say I'm praying in Navajo, you say, Sodiszin. Sodiszin. I'm praying. To say, can I pray for you, you would say, Sodiszin ya. Sodiszin ya. If I wanted to say, you pray, a command, I would say, Sodiszin. Sodiszin. If I wanted to say, can you pray over the food, I would say, Ashiko, Chiyan, Basodilzin. Ashiko, Chiyan, Basodilzin. If I'm saying he or she is praying, I would say, Sodilzin. Sodilzin. If I wanted to say, don't make any noise while my dad is praying, I would say, Shije, Sodilzingo. Aro, Neda'ol Chijido. Shije, Sodilzingo. Aro, Neda'ol Chijido. Now, May 7th is the National Day of Prayer. For that reason, I wanted to lead us in prayer. Hasha Sodadilzi. Boholnihi. Diche ya ta sogo sohodizindo lesbiniye. But eta. Nichinat ani danlini ta sogo basodadilzen. Ado Hodzan bi dadilel ako din hikeya yat eko yadahwe atolel. Ado behazani e yaha nalana ninzinagi bilhilt erolel. Ado behazani egi yat eko nijunago dinne ye yahandaha adolel. Ado beso na rajado tabe hozinadolel. Dot alscho eya do bebeche anahot etadolel. Arun hikeya nihilha hotzoagi balako a balate esto keda holon dolel. Aro din hikeya abek ejidli dolel. Aro ehehe alscho naha nihli. Bohomnihi nijebe alscho hojon dolel. And that is today's Navajo Word of the Day. Sodiszin. I'm praying. Have a nice day. Nijunago ne do'al.